Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to open Google Chrome browser using command prompt Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to open Google Chrome browser using command prompt Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on start and click on run. After type here CMD. After click on enter, that is, and type here star. Space and Chrome CHROME. After click on enter, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open Google Chrome browser using command prompt Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.